going to like add shading this time. So we're going to come right here to where it looks like a beach ball ish. Yeah, yeah, okay, I get it, Shadow, okay. So just give me a sec. But, so, we're going to press the plus sign, then we're going to press new material, make it to fill, then click stroke, then we're going to call this, let's see, ball, ball shadow.
How come you're using my name, Blaze?
Um, this isn't your name. See, it's
Oh, yeah. You put
okay.
W.
Let me.
I get it. I get it.
Let
I
me.
get it. You put a W.
Okay, okay. So we're just going to like make make it this color, except like a little bit darker, like this kind of dark. And so we're going to actually use this pencil tool, and then we're going to use like, as I see here, turn off lights because that means it'll be affected by anything by lights. Then press on masks, and whenever you see masks, you'll just like see this. And then whenever you plus plus mask, you're going to type in bills. I think that okay. First of all, we're going to have to like make a new layer, which we're going to do under here, I think. Oh my god, how do you make a new layer? How do you make a new layer, guys? Help me! Okay, so, are you okay, so we're going to call this layer ball shadow. There. And add. There. Now, wherever we add mask for this layer, we just type in build, and then no. And so we're going to just like do a little C with oh, probably shouldn't have like the fills layer be like that right now. But we're going to like make a C. So I'm just gonna like okay, okay, okay. That kind of looks wrong, right, guys?
Can I try, Blaze?
What are you going to do?
I want to try to do what you just did.
Okay, try to do better. Okay,
Okay, so
bet,
tell no.
bet,
Wait, Blaze.
bet.
Blaze, you
Yeah,
gotta tell me which way the light is coming from. This way or this way?
this way.
It's coming from this way?
Yes.
Then the shadow needs to be over here.
Wait, what? That's
Because if the light is coming from this way, it's gonna hit all these spots, and at the bottom, like right here, it's not gonna it's not hitting.
okay. I don't think you're saying my logic here. Hello, shadow. I don't see. Okay, look. This light
So.
is light is coming this way, so therefore we
Oh
need shadow.
no! You said the light was coming. I said, is it coming from this way or this way? And you said this way.
I thought you meant the okay. Okay, dude. Okay. So, I think you're having some like technological difficulties. So, what, what the,
I don't know
what in
what
the
that
world
is.
is that?
Don't ask
What
me.
in the world is that?
See here.
What was that?
This way.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I don't know.
What are you doing? Okay, just let me do it.
Hey.
Okay, I'm just gonna like take my leave now. So,
Hey, that's better.
now,
You want me to try?
now, guys, whenever I click this little eye from the fills layer, ta-da!
It's lovely.
Yeah, very lovely. I know. Wait, do I have to do this for like? Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be facing a couple of technical difficulties, but here's the thing. This is what's so great about edit mode. If I had explained edit mode, I'll that was the wrong thing. But
that was lovely.
Edit mode is technically where you could just like edit this out. Well, edit things like there's the move, rotate, where some of them are just like absolute explanations, like the move, rotate, but the scale one makes it longer.
Blaze, I have an idea. If you can edit, then go back to the first one.
Taller in a way.
Go back to the first one.
Or if you want to scale both,
please,
then there's this one. Why?
Because I have a genius idea.
Okay, go back to the first one.
Yeah, we gotta get rid of that first one. Oh.
Guys,
You're glitching out here, buddy.
I think I experienced a technical difficulty. Okay, so what in the world do you want me to do with this?
No, actually gotta delete that.
What?
Dumbass question. Oh.
Oh yeah, guys, I can move this BTW. You can practically just like move anything in this, but also let me just like. So first I got what?
You gotta delete that.
Why the heck do you want me to delete that?
You gotta trust me.
Why?
You just do.
But why?
Please.
Unless you give me one solid answer, buddy.
Because the shading will look better.
Okay, I have no idea how this is hecking gonna work, but okay.
I don't know what your language is, my guy.
So, I think I just got. So, how in the world are we going to do this again?
So you gotta go back to the part where you shade.
Okay, dude. So.
Trust me. Okay, so I can do that thing now?
Mm-hmm.
And we go in. You just take it.
I think that's why it was exactly what I was trying to do, buddy. That's exactly what.
But the shading looks better than that.
Oh my god.
No offie, but it kind of looks better.
Give me my shit. Give me my shining portion. Okay, so. Oh my god, what do I do? Let me just like use the scales. Okay, guys, this is whenever Blender gets really useful. Okay, this is. Wait, how the heck did I make? Optical frame 2. How the heck did that happen? What the heck? Where?
Please, saying that you're in normal,
Okay, this is so wrong, guys. So I'm just gonna like.
BTW, they can't hear you. You're so messed up.
Ah! Okay. So.
Don't mind Blaze over here. He's just crashing out.
What? As if you hadn't crashed out before. I swear, if you were in the same predicament as me, then I would be sure that.
I draw. I don't animate.
But if you did animate.
I mean, I can if I really wanted to. Oh, look.
No.
You moved it.
I'm trying to.
It's lovely.
Okay. First of all, duh. Of course, you think it's lovely. Oh my god, I'm suffering in the most horrible pain ever. It's like. Wait. What? Wait. Let me just.
You got to elongate.
shadow. The shadow. What? What? What?
Press the.
The what? The what play? The play button? Play button? The play button? Okay, I'm thinking my words. You are. You are. You are.
I'm sorry.
There's something.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay. So.
Sorry to make you happy.
Just.
Everything's fancy to me. When someone talks to me, every I feel to lose. And when you're not the other, when you're not the other, when you're not the other, and when you're not the other.
So guys, this is practically just like how you shade. But if you like want to save like all the extra work. If you want to save like.
The shadow can't.
Yeah. Oh no. How? Wait, what? Guys, how? What? Why is this even a thing? Why is that even a thing?
Press the play button. I want to see how it looks.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
So guys, I'm just going to like show my
Progress.
What?
Progress.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna like edit this to like instead of N40 because guys, I made another copy of it. As you can see, I'm going to do this only to play 40. Then I'm gonna get out of edit mode, draw mode. And then really, if I wanted to, I could just like only do the thingies, but I guess I'll just watch it. So how's that look, guys? So guys, wait, if I have mentioned this in the video, make sure to comment. Like and subscribe.
Don't forget to press the bell button to get notifications.
Yeah, and also, let me see if I have enough time. Oh no, I have to be fast. Ah, but
Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candlestick.
I don't think I'll have a time even anyway. But our next video, which will be like with my my guy, he's going to like show you the progress on our subscribe button poster. I think that we're going to put up.
It's not a poster. It's gonna be an animation.
Animation poster. It's a poster right now. It's a poster right now. So I'm just going to switch the attention to that. What the? Okay. What? What the?
You gotta move it over here.
Okay. Okay. What the heck? What the? What the?
Oh, thanks.
What the?
You move it back over here and the same thing.
What the? Okay. What the hecking?
Aha!
Okay, so wait, let me focus my attention to you because we have like 30 seconds left. Okay, so this is all that we have currently. We have Tokarev, and we have him.
He's just a sketch, my guy.
I know they're just sketches, but I'm
How is
just.
this layer 3 if this is layer 1?
I don't care. I don't care honestly, but guys, I hope you like and subscribe. Yeah. Oh my. Ah, I swear. I swear. But bye guys, like and subscribe. See you and check on you later. Yeah!